Hate to call you out like this, but we've all been here before. Trying to depth our blade with the worst tape measure in the shop. Penn Tool said enough's enough. That's why they got this.
Here is the Ride-On Precision Setup Blocks from Igaging. Inside this box will be 15 blocks ranging from 1/16 up to 3 inches. But these blocks are stackable so you can get that exact measurement you need. Oh, one more cool thing, these come in metric too.
Say you want this to cut exactly a 1/4 inch depth. What you're gonna do is pull out your 1/4 inch blocking. Now on this block, it's gonna have 2 sides. It's gonna have the top where it shows the small 1/4 inch. What you're gonna do is lay it down on its side to where it shows the Igaging 1/4 inch side. You're gonna butt that up to your blade and start cranking whichever way you need to go and flush it up to the top of your block. Once you got that, it'll be set for exactly a 1/4 inch depth. Super quick and easy. So when you need speed, quality, and accuracy, Penn Tool Co. has got you covered.